Very soon, X Empire will have an airdrop, distribution of tokens among players. Each user who has leveled up a character, invited friends will receive a certain amount of coins. To accept them and then sell or save them, you need to connect a crypto wallet. In this video, I will tell you how to connect an internal Telegram wallet to X Empire and make a test transaction. Go to the airdrop section through the menu in the upper right corner of the screen. Click Connect Wallet. Select the internal Telegram wallet. This is the largest button. Create a wallet using email or manually via a seed phrase. Carefully follow the instructions and connect an email that only you have access to. If you chose a seed phrase, be sure to save it, otherwise you will lose access to the wallet. Congratulations, the wallet has been created and now you can connect it to X Empire. Let's move on to the next step, replenishing the wallet, since we need at least 0.5 ton to perform a test transaction. Let's start with the simplest option, replenishing the wallet from a bank card. Click Replenish the wallet, select the TON cryptocurrency in the currency of your bank card. Attention, not all currencies are available for replenishing the wallet. Next, enter the replenishment amount, and we have come to the stage of identity verification. Different types of wallet replenishment require different levels of verification. To replenish from a bank card, you need to confirm your phone number, first name, last name, date of birth, and attach your passport or other identity document. Let's go through these steps together. Send the phone number, enter the first name, last name, and date of birth. Now send the passport according to the instructions. Now we can enter the bank card details and replenish the account. The money will be debited from your bank card. Let's move on to the next replenishment option, P2P, that is, buying cryptocurrency from another user. In this option, you don't have to send your passport. Go to the P2P section, click Buy, select the TON cryptocurrency and the currency you want to buy for. Select a suitable offer for the cost and purchase amount, write the amount. Confirm the order. Next, we need to transfer the specified amount to the seller's bank account according to the instructions and confirm the transaction. After a while, the seller will confirm the transaction and the money will be credited to your account. And the third option for replenishing the wallet is from another wallet if you or your friends already have money in another crypto wallet and you can transfer it to yourself. Go to TON space. Select the currency and copy the address of the wallet to which we will make the transfer. After we have replenished the wallet, return to X Empire and click Make Transaction. Confirm the transaction. Congratulations, the test transaction is complete. Now we can go to the quest section and collect the reward for connecting the wallet and performing the test transaction. Connect your wallet and participate in airdrop.